Alright guys, welcome back to Soai. Down around Part in New York. So I'm on White Plains Road. I believe this is 4060 White Plains. Now, this channel, especially this series, checking out 100 Jamaican / Caribbean inspired restaurants here in New York, has been fully fueled by you guys. Most of the places I've been to, it's the suggestions of you, the viewers, whether it's the Instagram messages or the comments on my YouTube. Now, someone, I believe his name is A1, don't know if it's his real name because people have some strange Instagram names. For example, me, I'm not really Soai, it's not my name. He mentioned this place, Sunlife. It's a vegan restaurant. In better terms, for Jamaicans, we call it Ital. So what is Ital? Ital is basically food that is cooked with no salt, basically. It's just the natural herbs, the spices, the thyme, the escallion, the pimentos, and of course, it's vegan. You can go off a little bit into pescatarianism where there is fish and stuff like that, but besides that, it's just a natural vibe. I went in there already. I don't know if I'm gonna film inside. Like, I like to keep my reviews pretty straightforward. The people in there just seem like the typical Jamaican customer service. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab my food and I'm gonna eat. You know, the reviews on Google is pretty good. It's like 4.8 on Google, so the food definitely tastes good. I did see a comment though where someone says the food is great, but they hope customer service could be better. Hey, honestly, I can't change that. I honestly can't change that about my people. But yeah, we're gonna go in there and get some food. I did ask them if they take cards. Them say yeah. Forced a suggestion out of somebody. They said that they have barbecue, whatever. I'm not gonna order. I'll tell you guys what I get.
There's a reason why the wet floor sign exists. So Chad, from Aisle 4, doesn't get sued for turning the floor into an ice rink. Same reason Morgan & Morgan exists as America's largest NG law firm. Because sometimes Chad doesn't have your back. Morgan & Morgan is America's largest NG law firm with over 1,000 attorneys, 100+ offices nationwide, with over $25 billion recovered for 500,000 clients. And they been fighting for the people for over 35+ years. And the best part, their fee is free, unless they win. You can ask my cheap vegan uncle who slipped in the meat aisle. Don't ask me what he was doing in there. If you ever get injured, you can check out Morgan & Morgan. Again, the fee is free, unless they win. You can start by clicking my special link that will be in the description box, or by scanning the QR code with your phone on screen.
So inside here reminds me of a typical herbal type shop in Kingston that I used to go to, where they have all the different powdered organic stuff, you know, stuff to heal your body. It has that smell, and can't say I'm smelling much of the food, but yeah, it's not just about the food that you intake, but also the herbs and the medical stuff. So you're into that type of stuff, then definitely come check them out. They're on White Plains. All right, I'm just gonna play the guest game right now and just order a couple things off of the menu. And I'm almost certain it's gonna taste good, because I find that when you're making like Ital food, you have to put extra effort into it to make sure, say, yo, it hit not just the vegan palate, but everybody who just looking for a healthier option. Oh, that's good, I hear. Yes, please. The part where I'm about to be. Okay, I appreciate that. All right, so. Is that done? All right, so we got our Sunlife. I spent about $32 on it. Yo, there's obviously a reason why a lot of people are not vegans. It's expensive, but It looks really good. But I'm gonna start off with the coconut water. Inside they do other stuff like juices. Hey. This man after I play theme sound, you know, like you have to do say about Jamaican. Yeah, you know? Yo, I swear we are very flamboyant people. Alright, so got some coconut water. Lady inside say, not Jamaican coconut water, but it tastes really good, and I agree. Alright, so we got our meal here. If the food don't taste good, A1 or whatever your name is, bro, you gotta pay me back for these 32 bucks. But alright, let's dig in. I got what they call a coconut tart. For us, we call it a gizzada. It looks good. And as for the food, it's sold by the pound. So if I wanted to be a little bit cheaper, then I would have taken less food. How does it smell? It smells really good. A long time when I eat an Ital dish, you know. Tastes like a good barbecue. Presentation is way better than a lot of places that I've been to thus far. It's my first Ital restaurant here, but overall Jamaican food, everybody, this presentation looks really, really good. This is what we look like. We'll have the rice. Seems like jasmine rice. There's some green peas in there, and this vegan type meat. They pat it off like a barbecue chicken. It's not chicken, it's vegan. And then we got some bok chow there. It's in it. Some people call it Chinese lettuce, I think. But if you look at it, it looks really good. All right, let's go. So, all right, the barbecue sauce on this is freaking phenomenal. It doesn't taste like some. If it's out of a jar, they found a really good jar, and this jar is probably an expensive jar. So it is. First of all, the thickness on it is. It's thick. It's rich. It's almost at that part where it's almost caramelized, and it's nice and tangy. I've never had a barbecue sauce this good. This is a really good barbecue sauce. Wow. Now I think this is tofu. Is it tofu or whatever it is that they use to make this meat? It's not 100% like chicken. It feels almost sponge-like, but not sponge-like. When you bite into it, it feels kind of springy. But if you're a vegan and you're looking for something that's a close representation to chicken, like you switch over from chicken to veganism, then yeah. This barbecue thing here, I'll give it a 10. Freaking awesome. This freaking rice is top. This rice is really good. Everything about this rice is good. Especially if you're a vegan, you're gonna extremely love this rice. But for me who's not, it's a good rice. Oh, there goes. Let me remember your name. It's Emilio. Huh?
I would never remember my name.
Really?
Emmanuel? Emiliano.
Nah. What's up, Emilio?
What's up, my brother? How you, man?
Nice to see you again, bro.
Again, bro.
Taking the baby for a walk?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
She's only
3 weeks?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, so we're just hanging out for a little bit.
Okay.
Take it easy, my brother.
All right, bro.
All right,
Appreciate you.
I'll
Yeah. You too. So, when I tell you guys that everybody that watches the channel and like, oh yeah, I really love you guys. Honestly, if you come up to me, I'm gonna remember you. So I met him yesterday, told me his name. I'm not good with names, but there's some people that will ask you for your name not really caring. If I ask you for your name, I'm actually trying to remember who you are. So, saw him just now. I'm on White Plains quite a bit, you know, checking out the food scene here. So, there goes Emilio, it's funny. Cool guy. All right, some people, the barbecue sauce might be a bit much, but for me, it's nice, it's rich, it's sweet, it's tangy. It doesn't stingily coat this vegan meat. It is so freaking good. I did not waste my money. This is one of those places You don't even care if someone greets you with a smile or not. You just come, order your stuff, and go. The whole plate, for me, is a 12 out of 10. Bro, what? Bro, thank you so much for recommending this spot. Like, if I were to do a lunch, maybe I could because they have, I guess you have like weighted plates where you could do for like $12 or something like that. Because she was trying to serve me a smaller plate. So I could probably do 3/4 this plate, maybe drop the price a bit. Not order coconut water. It was $5. And the pastry was $3, so that's about $8 that I probably never needed to spend. So it's somewhere around $23 for this, for a really healthy plate. Yo, this tastes good. I don't see a lot of Ital restaurants here, maybe because my eyes are not looking for it, but I don't see a lot of Ital restaurants here. This, I could tell you, is easily gonna be the top 3 of that is on White Plains Road. This is really, really, really good. I am getting a little bit of heat at the end of it. It's not spicy. For me, it's not spicy. It's more on the mild side. Everything was just a really perfect balance. There's other things that are on the menu, but this one, I saw it on Google, and I was just like, this image looks really good. And people, we really eat with their eyes. We really do. Okay, so now we have our coconut tart, they call it. I'm still thinking it's gonna be like a quesadilla. If it's different, that's cool too. Now, I'm cool with them marketing it this way because if you're trying to sell things in the US, sometimes things might need a little bit of a change of appearance. And yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's a quesadilla. So this is what it looks like on the inside. You get a nice amount of coconut, a nice amount of that quesadilla crust. I think the balance on it is absolutely perfect. I'm not shorting any of either. And it's not overly sweet. It's not overly spiced. It's not overly gingery. But I've definitely had better in Jamaica. There's one guy I met in like St. Anne. One guy in St. Anne that makes a killer quesadilla. And another dude out in Montego Bay by Bay West, usually by the stoplight. He has this bunch of quesadillas. That is really good. But overall, this is properly balanced. And your boy has no complaint. I still feel like for me, it's missing. Maybe it could do a little bit more of the spices in there. Just a little bit more ginger. I'm not tasting the ginger, but the crust is good. The texture of the coconuts on the inside is good. The sweetness level is good. Preferentially, you might go for a little bit more sugar. Presentation, I think it's adorable. Small plug. I need to go down to Vim. My brethren Kenny told me about this store called Vim. There's some affordable stuff in there. I need to get some marinas. I'm wearing this shirt under here. I look tacky. Me at least. All right, I just confirmed that this spot is actually really good. Like, I remember that video that I did with Punky, the lady that owns that vegan spot. That's a nurse. She actually just pulled up in there just now. So I'm like, yeah, if she come to this spot and eat when she's at work sometimes, you know what's good.
I saw your purse and I thought about you with this bag here.
No, right?
I was gonna say, I know you.
Punky, I'll make for your shoes them
So
pink
bright.
so. Yeah.
It's fun. I work in the ED, a lot of trauma.
You wanna be on my video or are you scared?
Oh my goodness.
Come. Come.
I'm shy, no.
Guys.
Yes.
Punky, tell me what the food place are you come mess up.
Here?
Yeah.
I've been coming here for years. I love the food here.
It's good, right?
Yeah. It doesn't matter. It is expensive, I'm gonna tell you from now, but whenever you want good stuff for your body, you have to come here. Period.
Yeah, come on.
And if you're not paying now for the food, later in life you'll pay for it in medical bills if you're not eating right.
No, I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before I work at the hospital, I
you
walk
come
all
up.
the way here to get my lunch.
What did you get?
Millet.
Millet.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a kind of wheat, like bulgur, the bulgur family. Yeah. And I got pop chow.
Yeah, the papa was good.
And I love their barbecue
Is it
protein.
Is it tofu? What is it?
It's not tofu. I think it's soy.
It's soy. It's like a soy-based
But
thing.
they also have tofu every Wednesday and Saturday. They have tofu with ackee. Yo, it's
Turn up.
over.
Brother,
It's over.
I just had the rice and that barbecue soy thing.
Who told you about here? I love
Huh?
it here.
A couple of my subscribers did.
It's my secret spot.
And I boss it. Yo, New York is so big, but I feel like I just run into people all the time. It's strange. Anyhow, this is where I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna go down to Vim, like I mentioned, get me a marina or two, and then she mentioned that there is a spot beside it. It's a vegan place that sells curry goat. It's not goat, but it tastes like goat. So yeah, we are gonna check it out. Until then, catch you guys on the next video. Remember to see things, love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the links.
Great unknown. When I return from the afterglow,